vlog, make we talk about it. Yes, let me tell you a little rundown of everything been going on here in our little country, Jamaica, we little island, land we love. Yes, so some people get killed Saturday night coming from party. Some people are wondering why every minute people broke the curfew, people get killed. Why every minute people dead after curfew hours? Why them not here and staying at their house and start broke the curfew? And I mean says so, our people says so. So the government called for lockdown, for 3 strict weekend lockdown for help cut down the growth of the coronavirus. Some people upset with it, some people alright with it. And I mean says so, our people says so. Some people even cuss and say, Andrew, where expect people to get money from? You talk about you give it time to go buy food and for we can get food in our household and everything. You give you money and not even issue out the money and say, prepare themselves for the lockdown. And I mean say now, our people say so. Alright? Man, the corona growth high in the country. Crime rate high in the country. Everybody I wonder what really are going on. What really going on in Jamaica? And I mean says so. People say so. People seem to be upset. Some people seem to be alright with the whole lockdown. Some people upset. You don't know how it go. If not get able to please everybody. No me say so. People say so. So the vaccine went missing. Where are the missing vaccine? Me don't know. Look like them here say people them are plan to take it, so you just walk out, gone, run. Me don't know. And me say so. The vaccine missing. People say so. Alright, what people don't say them now take the vaccine. Lot of people plan not to take the vaccine. I think 90% of the country now go take the vaccine, while some already take the vaccine. And I mean say so, a people say so. A lot of people are planning for the curfew. So, oh, Andrew talk to me, me not go on no curfew. Me not in a no strict lockdown, in a no house can't come out for 3 weekends straight. And I mean say so, a people say so. I think the church people them mad and the funeral parlor home them very upset with Andrew. Them feel like Andrew more hard upon them when it come to the church and when it come to funeral homes. Them feel say Andrew a pig pan them because them feel like them always get this stricter restriction while bar and beach and hotel and everything else are going and him just trick out pan them and put them under certain I don't even know what to call it. But I mean says so. A people say so. Alright. A whole heap of things been going on. Alright. Hospital them full overload can't manage no more. Some people they on floor in a hospital. Some people they in a wheelchair in a hospital. No bed not there if you accommodate them. Alright. And I mean say so. A people say so. What's really been going on now with local island people? Wanna tell me? I really want to know what's the solution to all of this madness? Crime rate gone so, corona gone so. Rest of we sit down and look so. What really are going on? And a me say so, a people say so. Some people feel that Andrew need to come up with a better plan for the whole corona business because them feel like the whole lockdown thing now work because the more lockdown the higher the rate get. I don't know and I mean say so. A people say so. Alright? You think Jamaica really in a shambles, people? Where do you think really are going on? You think there's a better solution? You think we can stop the spreading of the corona? You think the crime rate can go down? All the islands so sweet, so nice. Why is this happening, people? Me don't know. And a me say so. A people say so. Alright? So, what uno say? Let me hear what uno say. When me say, I don't say nothing now. You feel what you say, so me can come tell the rest of people what people say. Alright, bye.